cut it, cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco a poco. Way too bright. I done lost some friends pretending they would do me right, just to do me dirty, hurt me surely out of spite. But I learned that early, so I referred them to a psych. May it burn me once, but you will never learn me twice. I done learned my lesson, blessing presence in the lies. Living full of wealth about himself in their disguise. Inside the reflection, someone they don't recognize. Ain't it so ironic when you're living for the lie? Pain just feels so chronic when you're living for the high. Eyes wide open shut because you're living like you're blind. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with another new unit from the Outre lace front wig collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Natural Yaki 30-inch in the new color DRFF Red Plum. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come very mildly pre-plucked. It does come with HD lace. It is a left side part. So let me just come and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. It does come with very minimal lace, so you don't really have the free range to go and customize the hairline. It's very minimally plucked, very minimal amount of lace, very sparse baby hairs, so I kind of had to hit it with the full little swoop look right there. And then I just did this side bang situation to sort of cover the front of the unit. But as you can see, the hairline is like non-existent, honestly. So that's why I just did this little swoop situation, because I feel like with units like this, if the wind's going to be blowing, you're going to be looking a little bit crazy with just a super dense circular hairline going on, and then the front kind of looking like you got it together. So that's why I just did this little side bang swoop situation. So definitely do note, you guys, the hairline in this one is kind of non-existent, not really much lace, not really much room for versatility and styling. But I feel like just because the style of the unit, since it's a left side part and it falls to the right, you don't really have to worry about this whole situation going on over here anyway. But just like I said, if the wind's going to be blowing, that's probably going to be something to be concerned about, so definitely just keep that in mind. The cap size is feeling definitely small medium head friendly, not feeling big head friendly at all, not really much stretch to the cap. My head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. It's fitting my head pretty comfortably, but I do think if it was a little bit smaller, there wouldn't be really much wiggle room at all. So I think if your head is on the larger size, I definitely would stray away from this one. Now the length on this one, like it says on the stock card, is 30 inches, so it is a super long unit, you guys. I'm 5'3" for preference, and it definitely comes like to my belly button. Like it says in the name, the texture on this unit definitely is Yaki. It's definitely more so of a relaxed Yaki though. Definitely do like the texture of it. I don't know if it's because of the color and the length, but I definitely did get some snags, not really too much. I wouldn't necessarily qualify this as everyday hair specifically because of the length of it, but I do think if you were to cut it down, you could definitely get away with wearing this one every day. Or you could just go ahead and pick up the Yaki 22-inch unit, because that's going to be more of a natural length, definitely easier to maintain. Now this color, you guys, this DRFF Red Plum color is a new color, and I absolutely love it. So it's definitely giving 99J vibes at the top, and then at the bottom you see these darker peaks of this like super vivid red color. So this color I feel like is really beautiful. The density of this unit is super, super natural. It's like 130%. This is all the hair to the front. It is a little fuller than you'd expect from super long hair, so I definitely did like that. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. I definitely felt the need to. This one was giving hump action, so I went in with my wax stick, and I also went in with my heat comb and just flatten that bad boy down because it definitely was giving hump action, but definitely super easy to just get rid of with the heat and with the wax stick. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con with this unit is just going to be, like I said, I feel like the fact that there's such minimal lace around the hairline, you can't really work with it too much. Like I said, you can kind of make it work for yourself by doing this little faux baby hair situation, doing some swoops and kind of wearing it in a specific style. But the hairline is just not necessarily up to par. I don't think that's a huge con if this is a specific look that you're going for, but definitely do know if this is something you want to go in and customize and like make it look like scalp, make it look like hairline, you're not really going to be able to do that because there's such minimal lace that I feel like you can put a little work in, but I don't think it's going to give you the result that you're looking for, if that makes sense. My pros on this unit are the fact that it was super easy, throw in and go, definitely beginner friendly. Definitely the color is probably my number one pro. Like, I really, really love this color, you guys. I like that it's kind of, I feel like this is good for somebody who's not really used to trying colors, especially because this like 99J dark color is super toned down, and then you just get these like peekaboo reddish type highlights underneath. So I feel like this color is really good for somebody who is not really used to popping out and stepping out of color. So color is definitely good. Quality of the hair feels good. Density is nice. Texture of the hair is nice. As a whole, I feel like this is a super cute unit. Like I said, my only con is just going to be the fact that you can't really go in and customize the hairline. But other than that, I feel like this is a cute unit and you won't be disappointed if you pick it up. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.